With the given clues in this question, if you have diagnosed this as a case of anogenital warts, you are absolutely correct. Next step is safest treatment option in pregnancy. So remember, dear students, the answer here is going to be option B, that is cryotherapy, which is going to be the safest treatment option, in which we are going to use liquid nitrogen at minus 196 degrees Celsius. And you might be having a doubt, sir, why is it not TCA? So I have taken the source also. From this, it is mentioned very clearly in the first, second and third trimesters of the pregnancy, cryotherapy is going to be the first line of the treatment. And here it is mentioned as laser therapy, but all practical purposes in India especially, we are going to use the TCA, trichloroacetic acid, which is acting as a chemical cauterization at 70 to 80%. That's going to be used as the second line after cryotherapy. So why is it not imiquimod? Because we use this in anogenital warts. So remember, dear students, the problem is that safety profile in pregnancy is not well established for imiquimod. That is the reason why we cannot use imiquimod. And 5-fluorouracil, it's a cytotoxic agent and it's contraindicated in pregnancy. So ultimately, cryotherapy is going to be the answer. I hope this is helpful for all of you. If so, please hit that like button. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.